Hei, dette kapittel 2 i Grip 1. Jeg skal nå lese teksten sakte, og du skal prøve å gjenta etter meg. Hør godt etter hvordan ordene blir uttalt, og se i teksten for hvordan de ordene skrives. Chapter 2. Family and Friends. Part 1. My name is Sita. Keywords for this chapter. Nøkkelord i dette kapitlet a boy, en gutt, a girl, ei jente, a man, en mann, a woman, en kvinne, who, hvem. Dette ord som du nå må lære. My name is Sita. I am a woman. My name is Alex. I am a man. My name is Karen. I am a boy. My name is Anna. I'm a girl. Sita is from India. Alex is from Norway. Sita and Alex are married. They have a boy and a girl. Who is this? Let's talk. Who is from India? Who is a girl? I am a. Are you a? Who is this? Part 2. Sita and Alex. Keywords for this part of the chapter are. Nøkkelord for denne delen av kapittelet a brother, en bror, a daughter, en datter, a sister, en søster, a son, en sønn, parents, foreldre. Sita and Alex are parents. They have 2 children. They have a son and a daughter. Karen and Anna are brother and sister. They have an aunt and an uncle. I have a sister. You have a son. He has a daughter. She has 2 children. We have many friends. It has a ball. You have an aunt and an uncle. They have 2 children. Let's talk. Who are parents? Who has a sister? Who has a brother? Who has an aunt and an uncle?